Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Meshy TV, and welcome to another Plan With Me video. So today we're going to be setting up our week for, what are we setting up for? I think it's for, we are going to be setting up our week for the week of February 17th to February 23rd. Now, this is going to be in my Erin Condren Hourly Layout Life Planner. So let's get started. So first and foremost, I wanted to show you guys this really cute charm that I just recently bought for this planner. And you probably already seen that I switched out my cover, which I'm quite happy about. Okay, let's see if I can play around with the lights a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's not glaring you in the face. So you probably didn't see, maybe you did, you didn't see last week's Plan With Me. I did film it, but honestly it never got posted because I wanted to kind of talk to you about my new setup first before we went in. But I will just show you like a quick close-up of how everything turned out. I really like it. I got this new washi from Erin Condren. Same thing with I also bought the heart-shaped ones. But this week I thought that we would actually play a little bit with the Jane Davenport. I just have these strips and I wanted to use them as little accents in my planner, just here and there. So see how I do, because as much as I love this spread, but if you look at it, I still feel like, I can't help but feel like it's still a little congested, like it's a little heavy. You know what I mean? I'll just show you each page so you kind of know what I mean. So when you look at it closely, like it looks really nice, but I also feel like I don't gravitate towards coming back and checking in on it. I just feel like I spend more time on just decorating it. So I don't really want to do that this time. I want to see if I can just simplify it even more. It's almost like I need to simplify it and then we can kind of complicate it, if that makes sense. So when I saw these little strips that you can get from Jane Davenport, they're so pretty. They're so elegant. Like I don't even care if nothing will match. It kind of doesn't matter to me, but I really wanted like little hints of color everywhere, and I wanted to see if I can just keep it simple. You know what I mean? So we'll see how we do. As I'm looking at the sizes, it will likely not be enough for, you know, taking, well, it looks like it's going to be enough for taking up like it'll take up like 2 days, but it won't take up like the full, like 3 full days. But nevertheless, they're still so pretty that I think that we can just sort of do whatever we want here. I also have these other washis, which I don't think that I'm going to get a chance to use, but these are like super thin little washis, so maybe we'll play around with them in a little bit, but for now I just wanted to add like little accent, little hints of color everywhere. Is that wrong? No, I don't think it is. When I saw these at Michael's, at first I didn't think much of it, but then I started using it in my planner, in the daily planner. See, like I'm just not understanding the sizing. Like, what are you supposed to do with it? I think that you're supposed to just add like little accents here and there. I don't think that it's really for. Here I go again with putting it down, picking it up. So I have found that here on the sidebar, some of these little strips were actually like the perfect size to just create sort of like a header. Unfortunately, some of these small strips were not long enough to actually completely cover all 3 days, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Well, for one, I end up basically covering that entire top pink strip up because I didn't really want it to be completely see-through. I lay it down, and then here we go. I will pull it back up. Before we do that, of course, I wanted to lay down that beautiful female figure. Just having like that small little drawing, that there's something very special about that. So before I lay down any washi at the very top or some of these smaller strips, I wanted to use the whiteout. Once again, the struggle continues, but I didn't really want any color to seep through. I really wanted that whimsical watercolor, like that splash, that hint of color to just kind of shine through. And when you kind of put two strips together, then it makes it like a really elegant accent. So I will do the exact same thing on the opposite side. For some reason on the right side, whenever I do this, it feels so much easier. I don't know why, but nevertheless, here we are. So I just kind of covered it up, and I tried to go with something similar but still kind of different. So I went with sort of these color blocks, and it seems to work.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.
And moving on, I wanted to add and continue on with adding these accent pieces in. And I found that when you take one strip that actually takes up 2 days, like it almost completely covers it up. It looks, to me, it looks really nice. It looks very elegant. And I'm literally just adding like little accent pieces here and there throughout the entire spread. I wasn't sure about the watercolor swatches. I end up using it actually on the left hand side, but look how stunning. Every time I'm looking at this footage, it just looks so stunning. I figured I will just lay down all of the decoration first. You will notice that I completely skipped the bottom section where I was keeping track of like all the meal plans. Honestly, I have like a full booklet on meal planning, so I just kind of felt like it was really redundant here. So here's basically all of the clear sheets that I have from Happy Planner. It's sort of a mix. Most of the ones that I end up gravitating back to is actually from, I think it's the Super Mom kit. It was a mom kit. It's an accessory pack that Happy Planner has, and that seems to work really well. Some of them says organize. So the two that I end up using, one says task list, the other one says reminder.
I'm getting drunk on booze from the mini bar. I wonder what you're up to. I shouldn't call you up, I know your number by heart. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. I know you're miles away from me, but still I dream of you and say your name in my sleep. Tell me, isn't that crazy? Just wanna call you up and tell you how I feel. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. I'm drunk in room 308, and it's getting kinda late. I wish I could just call you up. I'm alone in room 308. Yeah, are you awake? Wish I could call you. I'm gonna call you. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. The girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing.
Yay! Now the entire planner is in frame. Perfect. Sorry about that. So I have these tiny little washies. Basically my camera gave up on me. I think it was actually the battery that completely died a few moments ago on my other camera. So right now we just switched cameras completely. I wanted to write something here that is the long weekend. Oh my goodness, and I need to write it that it's my actual birthday. Alright. Can you tell the massively high importance that I'm placing on my own birthday? If you're watching this, feel free to say happy birthday. Okay, you guys, I thought I would give you guys an update and a final look of how everything turned out on this spread. It took a minute till we made it. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to add like a couple of little extra characters as the week goes on, but for now, this is what I ended up with. After I added the little strips that I had from the Jane Davenport kit, I actually ended up stopping by on Valentine's Day we went into Michael's with my husband, and I ended up finding like actual washi kits from Erin Condren, not Erin, I keep calling it Erin Condren, but no, from Jane Davenport. So this is what I laid down here for Thursday and Friday, and then I ended up using this mermaid inspired washi also from Jane Davenport, and I'm using that like all throughout the spread to kind of showcase like the hour blocks, which I really enjoy that look. I added a couple of little flags for appointments, and I'm starting to use like these small little mini icons for like any reminders that I want. But like I said, I'm probably just going to be using these basic boxes for putting in actual appointments or anything that I kind of want to remember. And I think I want to like uncomplicate this as much as possible, and I love the whimsical elements. I love that watercolor vibe. Like I think it's very colorful, but it doesn't feel like it's, you know, like it's a child's planner, which makes me very happy. So I will show you guys a close-up and then you can take a look. But anything and everything that I have used in this video, I will leave a link down in the description so you guys can grab that. And thank you so much for watching, and if you are brand new here, you already know what to do. You can subscribe to the channel, you can also hit the notification bell, so you don't miss another video. And thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you guys again in my next one. Bye!